Here in Walla Walla, we have all sorts of farms, but the one I'm visiting today looks a little different than the others. Here at Chesed Farms, they're growing something special and kind of strange. Mushrooms.
Well, welcome to Chesed Farms.
Thank you.
Yes.
And how do you pronounce that again?
I pronounce it Chesed. It's a Hebrew word and my Hebrew's terrible. I say it's not important to know how to say it, but it's important to know what it means. It's hard to translate into English with one word, so the combinations tend to be loyal love, loving mercy, loving kindness. I was like, well, that's the right word. No one's gonna know what it is, but like, how do we find a better word?
We will lovingly and kindly teach
Exactly.
them. Although co-owner Sundown Hazen is a farmer, he likes to think of this place in a different way.
Lovingly, we like to call this a resort for alien life forms that we call fungi.
Noted.
Yes. We start with preparing their rooms. And we're gonna fill their room up with all the right food and water that they like to have.
Oh, can I help?
Yeah, you wanna do it?
I do.
Okay. So you're just gonna slide the bag right under. 3,
Ready.
2, 1.
Don't blow me away.
Keep holding it, keep holding it. Boom!
Hot diggity.
You did it. So we have oak pellets and oat pellets. And the pellets take a little while, and you can see already the water's starting to disappear.
Starting to absorb. Yep.
So we have 3 baskets here. We're gonna fill each one with 4 bags.
Wow, I got work to do.
Yeah, you do.
All right, let's go.
This would be the lobby.
Oh, wow. So they're all hanging out
They're all
here.
hanging out here. We've prepared 30 rooms for their whole extended family. Each family goes in there. You can see there's a handful of them, but they miss each other. So they're gonna eat their way to find each other.
Oh, all right.
And so as they extend, they then start to link up and they hold hands until they all then become one again. So this is the pool side
Okay.
for our mushrooms as they prepare their spaceship to go on to their next spot.
You are really working this metaphor.
Oh,
I
I'm
love
feeling it though, you know? We cut holes in the bags, and then the mushroom is seeking that air. So an interesting fact about fungi is they're more similar biologically to us than they are to plants.
Oh, okay.
So they breathe in oxygen like we do, expel CO2. They also digest their food like we do. Because they've come to the Chesed Farms resort for fungi friends, their next stop is gonna be somebody's belly. You can do everything from frying these up, using them as meat alternatives.
Right.
Sauteing is the most common one still. Some distinct ones would be lion's mane is a good substitute for crab and lobster meat.
That's great, because I'm allergic to crab and lobster.
So is my wife.
How in the world did you land upon mushrooms as your lifelong love?
That's a great question. I've had a passion for local food for about 3 decades. Being in the Walla Walla Valley with a strong tourism industry, we have great restaurants. So there was a demand for fresh local gourmet mushrooms. It fits within that lifelong purpose I've had and drive and passion for local food.
Time to try harvesting some lion's mane mushrooms.
So here's our lion's mane mushroom.
Lion's mane.
Okay, if you just kind of give it a quick wiggle, you'll feel how it's still attached. So if you put your thumbs underneath by the bag and then just tilt it forward. Was that satisfying? That's such a satisfying feeling. So if you turn it over, you'll see that we still have some of that substrate attached.
Right.
Grab your knife.
Grab my knife.
And you're just gonna cut where the substrate's attached.
Okay, oh my goodness.
There's not much there. You might have to take that one home with you.
Okay, I come at it differently.
Yeah, you can go both ways.
You've got it
Both
all in
sides.
one fell swoop, but you know, I've got my technique
I've done
too.
a couple hundred of them, maybe thousands. I'm losing count.
This has been so much fun.
Oh,
I can't tell
thanks,
you.
Val.
My little package.
Yeah, packaged with love
Packaged with the love and kindness.
and kindness.